Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am getting pierced today. I haven't gotten a new piercing in, I don't even know how long it's been, but it's been a while. So I am leaving in about 30 minutes to go get some more piercings. Nothing dramatic. I just want to finish up filling up my ears. So if you guys want to see me go get pierced, then let's go. Let's go. Love that. Thanks.
Every day?
Yeah.
Thanks.
That's the best, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. Especially when you get so much jewelry in your ear and you're like, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
It's clean.
Do you want to film for me?
Don't you remember that one time? I forget when you guys were doing here, but she was like absolutely ridiculous with her camera.
Yeah, I kept all that stuff in too. I was like, I'm keeping that in there. That's funny.
Alright, check those out. We can move them if you want.
Boom. I love it.
Alright, go ahead and lay on down, my friend.
All right.
Take a quick power nap.
That sounds great.
It's because I'm doing a brace.
This is a great angle of you.
From the back. That's a little tricky.
I'm dead.
We'll get there.
Which side are we doing first? This one?
The flat side.
Okay.
Breath in.
Then I get to blow a candle.
The birthday candles. Alright, I'm gonna have you look out into Drew's booth. Look at how great his beard looks.
I see it.
See that beard?
Oh, that's a good looking beard.
Yeah.
Stupid baby hairs.
I
Get out of my
know.
life.
They're everywhere.
Alright, big breath in. And push it all out. There we go.
There's a puppy.
There you go. A little bit of cleany clean. Why? What? Oh, it fell off already? Great.
I'll be playing with it.
Oops, Daisy. That's alright. You said you wanted full ears.
Oh yeah, for sure. And this ear hasn't seen any love in so long. Let's add another one.
Okay. You like that?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, she's
Yeah, that was like accidental, but... Yeah.
All the hairs.
Oh, try this again. Well, I hate piercing from behind, but I also hate seeing jewelry.
Yeah.
It's just extra trauma that's really not necessary, you know?
There we go. Ready? Big breath in. Push it out. Hi.
Hey.
Hey.
Just getting needles in the ear. He's like, I'm out of here. Screw this.
Just through one way.
And then we'll put the real jewelry in the other way. Or we can leave it backwards. That's kind of a cool look.
I like to do weird stuff.
Yeah, I know. I've done this before just because it's like a literal flat disc
Right, yeah.
on your flap. Yeah, I'm gonna let you look at that first. Because I actually kind of like it. What do you think?
I like it.
Because this is like a fucking experiment.
Ooh, I do actually kind of
Right?
like that. That's cool, actually.
Okay.
Yeah,
Rocking
we'll
with
keep
it?
Yeah, for sure. That's cool.
Yeah, this is Howard.
And get that snake.
He is so soft. He's the softest.
I understand why you're BFFs with him though.
Right?
Really.
It makes makes sense.
It's not questionable.
When I first met her, I hated her.
Yeah, she fucking hated me.
Well, she's a lot sweeter though.
Well, I thought she was like.
He's hungry.
Yeah, she's so like happy and bubbly.
Yeah, you're like, oh, I hate you, right?
Yeah, I was like, quit smiling. Like,
Oh,
yeah. Sweet. I like it.
But yay.
Yay! Whoops, but yay!
whoops, but yay.
Alright.
Right,
And I'm the musical chairs over here. I do need to grab some
There's gonna be some random shit in here.
I love that. That's the whole point. Huh?
We could grab another stabby. That's talking out loud.
Oh. He likes stabbies.
How you feeling, champ? So good.
Pierced.
Pierced.
It'd be so fun to stab people all day.
Yeah, it's weird. It really is.
I did it.
I enjoy
Probably
it.
go home so relaxed, like, I hurt people today. I
Oh.
love this.
Oh, he's sharp.
Oh yeah.
That's going in your ear.
Yeah, I know.
Lay on down.
Molly gets to look at the wall.
Hey.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Tell me how beautiful I am. Tell me I'm pretty.
Tell me I'm pretty.
Alright, you ready?
I am ready.
Big breath in. And flash over. Hold on. There you go. Here. Those birthday candles. Yeah. Happy fucking birthday to you.
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Give that good shot.
Oh yeah. That's hot. Stroke it a little bit.
There you go.
I am not a professional.
I am, but I'm not.
50-50. Depends on who you are.
My gloves have lube on them. Hot. Bam.
Bam.
These are really long for your baby ears. Sorry.
Yeah. I'll swell for sure.
I know. I watched your videos. I know.
Yeah.
I know you swell.
Oh yeah.
I told you that and you're like, oh my god.
I know.
I was like, I literally have nothing else to listen to. Okay, normally it's like John watching TV or Matt's watching TV, so when it's like my turn,
Yeah.
I watch like Forensic Files and that's about it. And there's only
Yes.
so much Forensic Files you can watch.
I've
until
seen
you're
all
like,
of them. Like I ran
Yeah.
out. I'm like, what am I supposed to do with my
Yeah,
life?
and once you watch it, you can't watch it again. You're like,
Right.
I know how.
I know how this goes.
Right, like, oh,
ruins
this
it.
girl again. Next episode, oh, I saw that one already.
Exactly. So anyway, I was like, I'm just gonna sit here and listen to this free talk. Are you ready for this next one?
I'm so ready.
Okay. I'm just like shoving your face
Yeah.
over. I was like,
Just
yeah,
punch
shut
me,
up.
it's fine.
It's fine. Alright, big breath in. And push that all out.
Ooh. That one got me.
Clear receiving tubes really like send it home. You're like, oh god.
Yeah. Oh god.
Stupid internally threaded.
I like that you're in pain right now and not me.
Is it ouchie?
Love you.
That one was, yeah.
Same shit again.
Doing that thing where your forehead vein pops out when you're in pain and it's making me really sad. I love you.
I
She
call
gets-
it the Julia Roberts vein.
Oh my god, that's so funny.
Mm-hmm.
Amazing.
Just zoom in on it. There
Oh,
she is.
excellent.
It's funny because she like wise
love
off
Abe.
right here and there.
Oh, I
she
know.
is.
Should put an IV in there.
Ah, cannulate the shit out of that vein. No problem.
That'd be fun. Would be a cool Instagram photo.
Oh my god. There's that vein again.
Julia.
Julia.
Sorry. You can't tell me things like that.
It's hilarious.
Did it go in?
Yeah.
Yay!
Is it in?
Are we done? Your entire ears.
Battlefield over here.
Was there blood right here?
It's me. I am a bleeder. Hi, I'm Bree.
Yeah, shit's gross.
Word to the
Yeah, shit's
wise: don't murder Bree forensic file style because you will get caught.
My blood,
because of
yeah,
the
my
evidence.
blood will be everywhere.
We're done, son.
Woo!
gonna let you sit up first and see if you like Niagara Falls in again.
Blood down. Are we bleeding?
I'm gonna clean a little bit by your
Okay.
TDS. Yeah.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Perfect.
Beautiful.
Isn't that so weird when you're recording and you like want to talk about certain things, but you like can't
Yes.
call things by what you normally call them by?
For
Like
sure.
that's gotta be so weird.
Yeah.
It's like censoring yourself all the time.
Right.
We're
yeah.
done. Go look.
Woo! Can I turn this shit off?
Ooh, golly. Oh, I like it.
Gee.
Gee willikers. Yay!
My new thing has been saying holy cows.
Holy cow.
Like not just singular cow. Holy cows.
I like it.
4 news tabbies in your home.
I have never gotten 4 in one sitting before.
Now you're good for like the next 2 years and you'll
Right?
come
Yeah.